Aloha, dear handpan family. Almost every handpan is built to project the sound outwards, away from you. I did change the design and the sound does the exact opposite. And this is Miond, my vision from 25 years of experiences, and I already built it in a mixture of Kaiser and Sanpan in the late 90s during a study with craftsmanships and music therapy. Anyway, I brought this to life by the masterful craftsmanship by Marco della Ratta, my dear old friend. We are from the handpan elders, and I'm so thankful to have this beauty in my hands. 3 bass notes facing towards you. Why? The vibration doesn't just fade into the room. But it flows directly into your solar plexus, sacral, and your root chakra. You don't just hear her, you feel her and become her. The Patria scale is a bridge between a healing minor meets a radiant major, a balance between light and shadow that I developed for a deep grounding, hitting direct into your root, solar plexus and sacral chakra. The Mionda is no product as a mass production. It's an instrument for people seeking genuine depth and quality. And if you feel the call to invest in yourself, to get healed and rooted by the sound, and do something for your own, for chakra therapy, feel free to contact me to get further informations. And now I say, welcome Mionda, welcome to the world, welcome to me and you.